Rocks, fascinating as they are, have a story of their own. This story spins in a ceaseless loop known as the rock cycle, demonstrating how a rock can metamorphose from one type to another. Important steps in this grand dance of transformation are weathering, erosion, and deposition. Weathering involves the breaking down of rocks into components like soil, sand, and other sediment types through the action of wind, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. It can be biological, chemical, or physical. Once the rock is broken down into sediment, processes of erosion or deposition may kick in. Erosion is when the Earth's surface is gradually worn away by elements like wind and water. Human activities, such as agriculture and urban development, can also contribute to erosion. Deposition, on the other hand, refers to the process where sediment is relocated and settled in a new place. The wind or water can physically pick up and carry small particles, and these particles are deposited when there isn't enough energy to carry them any longer. We classify rocks primarily into three categories: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Each rock type has a unique formation process that takes a span of millions of years. Let's talk about igneous rocks first. These form when rock minerals melt, cool, and then solidify. There's a vast variety of igneous rocks, and their differences are based on where they were formed. Intrusive rocks originate beneath the Earth's surface when the molten rock, or magma, cools and hardens. Over time, these rocks are revealed as the layers above them erode due to weathering or erosion. In contrast, extrusive rocks form when lava on the Earth's surface cools and hardens. Some examples of igneous rocks include granite, basalt, obsidian, and pumice. Next, we have sedimentary rocks. These are created from layers of eroded sediment material, such as remains of plants and animals. This material, which includes rock fragments, settles in layers, compact and harden over time. Interestingly, fossils are often found embedded in these layers of sedimentary rocks. Some sedimentary rock examples include rock salt, halite, limestone, sandstone, and shale. A special kind called conglomerates is made of pebbles, boulders, or shells that have hardened together. Lastly, metamorphic rocks begin as another type of rock, igneous, sedimentary, or another metamorphic rock, and transform over time. Metamorphic rocks are formed when existing rocks, usually sedimentary or igneous, are subjected to high heat or pressure without melting. Examples of metamorphic rocks are gneiss, quartzite, slate, and marble. In the grand scheme of the rock cycle, every rock has its part to play, and each transformation adds another chapter to its fascinating story.